Hello dear fellow marketers, I am Bharti from the ClearOut team here to give you a brief on how you can integrate ClearOut and Automazy. Automazy on one hand is a software that is designed to improve your open rates, and ClearOut on the other hand helps you improve your email deliverability. And now when both these hands have come together, all your campaigns are surely going to be a bang on campaign. So let me quickly show you of how you can integrate ClearOut with Automazy. Let's start. Integrating Automazy with ClearOut, just log into your account. Click on integrations. On this page, you'll be able to see all the apps with which you can connect your ClearOut account. Here we have to connect Automazy, for which you have to enter the API key and account name. API key is present in the settings, API token. So you have to click on generating the API token, just copy and close, paste it here and enter the account name. And then click on add account. Once your account is successfully linked, you'll get a notifications and now you can see view accounts instead of connect to accounts. So this is the account that I have linked. You can add multiple accounts. Now my Automazy account that has been linked has these two lists. I want to verify this list. See, this is the list which I want to verify. So out of these 43 contacts, I don't know how many are valid, how many are invalid. So instead of using all these at once for a campaign, firstly I need to validate it, verify it using ClearOut. So I have to select the list I want to verify and click it on add to my list. So when I go on my list, I can see the Automazy list has been added here. I just have to click on verify to see that out of the total 43 contacts, how many are valid. Within a matter of few seconds, the result is there in front of me, which says that out of the 43 total email addresses I had, only 32 are valid, 4 are invalid, and others are catch-all or unknown. So now I can either directly download the result. I just have to click on download, then select the way I want to see my result. The explanation of each kind of result is given besides it. I always prefer going for the custom. I'll just click on download the result. And the second option is you can directly export the result to your Automazy account. Then you'll be avoiding the running between the lists, or there'll be less confusion in managing the verified email addresses. So if you want to export it, just click on export. Either you can click on unsubscribe. By choosing the unsubscribe option, you'll be removing all the invalid email addresses and all the disposable email addresses from the contacts. So I will not go with unsubscribe because I want to see which all are the invalid ones. I can later filter it in my Automazy account. And here are what all options you want to append. So I'll click on export. It has been queued for being exported. So now once my result has been exported, if I want to check individually, I'll simply click on one of the accounts, one of the contacts, and see here I can see the columns that I wanted to be appended in my Automazy account. I can see that it's not a disposable account, it is a valid address, it is totally safe to send, and the reason and everything I can see. But obviously I cannot go ahead with individually checking it out, so you can simply create a filter over here. So I want any field, my field, this is what I want to do. If I have to send a email campaign, that is the process that I'll use. I'll filter the verification status is valid because I just want to use the valid email addresses. Any further rule if I want to add, and I want it to be safe to send. It contains yes. Then again, this is a filter that is convenient to me. You can go ahead and create any filter that is suitable for your campaign. So now you can see that if I have applied this filter, only 29 contacts are present. So I can use these contacts for sending out my email marketing campaigns. So this was the demo from my side. If you still have any questions or queries pending, you can always write back to us either as comments in this videos, or you can come as a live chat with us, or you can write an email to us. All the details are mentioned in the description of the video where to contact us. And yeah, I think it's great for us to attach with Automizy, and we'll be coming up with many more integrations. And thank you. Have a great day.